Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black sesame seeds. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of vibrant health? Get ready for a journey into the world of wellness as we delve into the remarkable health benefits of black sesame seeds. From supporting heart health to nourishing your skin, these tiny seeds are packed with surprises. Join us on this exciting exploration of nature's bounty and discover how black sesame seeds can elevate your well-being. Let's begin this journey to a healthier, happier you. First and foremost, black sesame seeds are a rich source of nutrients, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. They are abundant in protein, healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and zinc. Additionally, black sesame seeds contain lignans and phytosterols, which contribute to their potential health-promoting properties. Let's talk about heart health. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and dietary fiber in black sesame seeds offers significant benefits for heart health. The healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, aid in reducing LDL cholesterol levels while maintaining HDL cholesterol levels. Antioxidants like lignans and phytosterols protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and inflammation, ultimately supporting cardiovascular function. What's more, black sesame seeds are an excellent source of bone-supportive nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Calcium is crucial for maintaining bone density and strength, while magnesium contributes to bone mineralization. Zinc plays a role in bone formation and repair, ensuring overall bone health and resilience. Let's delve into digestive support. The dietary fiber content in black sesame seeds supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Here's something interesting to note. The antioxidants present in black sesame seeds, including vitamin E, help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This protection contributes to healthy, glowing skin. Additionally, the presence of zinc supports skin health by aiding in wound healing and preventing acne. Biotin, a B vitamin found in black sesame seeds, supports hair health and growth. But the benefits don't stop there. Black sesame seeds contain lignans, which are natural compounds with phytoestrogenic properties. These compounds may contribute to hormone balance and potentially alleviate symptoms associated with hormonal imbalances, such as those experienced during menopause. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now let's talk about blood sugar regulation. The combination of dietary fiber and healthy fats in black sesame seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars in the bloodstream. This can contribute to better glycemic control. What's more, the presence of antioxidants, including lignans and phytosterols, makes black sesame seeds effective in combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. These properties have implications for reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Did you know? Some nutrients in black sesame seeds, such as vitamin E and antioxidants, have been associated with cognitive function and brain health. These components may contribute to protecting the brain from age-related cognitive decline. Lastly, the vitamins and minerals found in black sesame seeds, including zinc, contribute to a well-functioning immune system. Zinc, in particular, plays a critical role in maintaining immune cell function and promoting overall immunity. To reap the benefits of black sesame seeds, consider incorporating them into your daily diet. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, baked goods, or use them as a topping for various dishes. Keep in mind that while black sesame seeds offer numerous health benefits, they are most effective when part of a balanced and varied diet, alongside an active and healthy lifestyle. Let's embrace this natural treasure, savor its goodness, and embark on a journey of well-being. With each sprinkle of black sesame seeds, you're taking a step towards a healthier, happier you. Here's to the power of nutrition, the beauty of nature, and the journey to a more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.